In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wiser app to discover and learn from mini book summaries quickly and easily. Whether you're someone who wants to learn new ideas but doesn't have time to read full books, or you simply want a faster way to absorb useful knowledge on the go, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wiser app and go to the main home screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled View All Plans if you're just getting started. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Here, you'll usually see options like a free trial, monthly plan, or yearly subscription, so you can choose what works best for you before continuing into the app. Next, click on the Explore section. You'll see several options that help you browse different mini books across a variety of topics like productivity, self-development, business, and more. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Each book is summarized into about 15 minutes, making it easy to learn even during short breaks. Once you've completed these steps, select a book you like and add it to your library. After that, you should be able to read or listen to the summary anytime without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to highlight important words or tap Remember to save ideas into your cards so you can come back to them later and review key points easily. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use the Wiser app to learn faster and organize useful ideas easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.